City crews and contractors were responding Wednesday to numerous reports of downed tree limbs posing potential traffic hazards on Longmont streets. After 11.5 inches of wet, heavy snow fell throughout Tuesday night and into Wednesday. City Forester Ken Wickland said that as of about 6:30 a.m., he had already been notified of as many as 18 locations where large branches had fallen into roadways and has been dispatching those crews and contractors to areas where lanes were blocked.
We put this tree in when it was 5 foot tall, and look at it now. And I don't want to lose it. So it's better than a tree with leaves, you know, because they get so heavy and then they break. So let me see, I would think about around 40 years ago, 38 years ago, something like that. Yeah. And it's a good tree.
It's been a busy morning, said LPC spokeswoman Deb Cameron. She said Longmont power crews started responding to outages at about 11:30 p.m. Tuesday, and that all of the municipal utility crews and 9 trucks were working Wednesday. 4 St. Vrain Valley School District schools closed because of power outages: Central and Columbine Elementary Schools in Longmont, Hygiene Elementary, and Lyons Middle Senior High School.
I was out here at 1 o'clock in the morning trying to beat the snow off the tree, and it obviously didn't help any.